Since I'm already looking like a pale little Easter egg, why don't we put some bronzer on? Hey y'all, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this really pretty pastel rainbow eye look right here. So if you would like to learn how to achieve this look, then just keep on. So I know it is Saturday when you guys are watching this video, but it's currently Wednesday when I am filming this video. And I know normally I only do tutorials on Thursdays. However, I was really excited about this look and I wanted to film a video on it. So I kind of got inspired by my shirt that I'm wearing today because it's all pastel-y and colorful. It just reminds me of unicorns and I love it. So we are going to be using two palettes today. So the first palette that we're going to be using is the Spoiled Cosmetics Volume 4 palette, and we're going to be using a couple of shades out of this palette. The first shade that we're going to go into is just that yellow pastel color right there in the center, and I'm actually going to be applying that to the inner half of my lid using the tiny side of this Urban Decay Double. I'm using the Profusion Spectrum palette. I absolutely love this palette because it has every single color that I love to work with in this palette. I'm going to take the shade Bermuda, and it's just that really beautiful light blue shadow right there. I also like the fact that all these colors are matte, so that makes it really easy to work with as well, because I can work these into my crease because they're matte, or I can layer them on my lid like I'm going to be doing it now. And to pack that onto my lid, I'm just going to be using this flat shader brush from Amazon, and the light blue shadow that we're going to be using today, I'm going to warn you, because it is such a light shadow, you might have to layer it on a little bit, because that's what I had to do with this side to get it true to color. But I promise you the payoff is there. You just kind of have to layer it up and really build it up until you get it to the intensification that you want it. Going back into my Spoiled Cosmetics Volume 4 palette, I'm going to take that mint green shadow and I'm going to pack that on beside the light blue shadow. Taking that really light lavender color, I am going to be applying that using this very, very tiny, detailed, fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to be applying that to the outer half of my lid, and I'm going to be slowly working that into my crease. Alright, you guys know me. You know that I have to have a little bit of shimmer and a little bit of shine. I just cannot let something be matte. Now, if you like this overall matte look, you can leave it like it is if you're following along at home. But I personally like a little bit of shimmer and I like a little bit of shine. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Fairy Highlighter by Face Studio. And this is a face highlighter, but I actually don't use it as a face highlighter. I use it as eyeshadow. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying the yellow with this tiny little side of the Urban Decay double-ended eyeshadow brush to the yellow side. Then I'm going to be taking a little bit of the blue strip and I'm going to be applying that over the top of that blue and that mint shade, just to make it look a little bit more shiny and alive. And before I even apply both of those shadows to my eyes, I'm going to be wetting the brushes with the Morphe X Jeffree Star Continuing Setting Mist that I sadly lost the cap to a couple of minutes ago, but I just love the smell of it. It just smells so, so good. So that is just what I'm going to be using. I'm going to curl my eyelashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler, and then I'm going to be applying some mascara. And the mascara that I'm going to be using today is just the Believe It Beauty Extended Lash Lengthening Mascara. It's my favorite part. It's time for lashes. And for lashes today, I'm going to be using the Cara False Eyelashes. These are in the style 505, and these are just in black. The reason why I chose to use these today is because they're very dimmy and they're very wispy, and they just look overall very natural. The reason why I wanted to pair a natural lash with this eye look is because, one, it's not super bright and it's not super intense, so this is definitely something that you can go out and wear during the daytime. I'm actually going to go out for a stroll in a little bit, just to kind of go around my neighborhood with this makeup on. I don't even care. So I personally think this is something that you definitely could wear out in public, and that's why I want to pair a really natural lash with it, just to see how it looks. And you know, if you want to wear bold lashes out in public, you totally can do that. You are the owner of your own body. You get to decide what goes on your face. You get to decide what happens with your body. I'm not the person that should sit here and tell you what to do with yourself. But anyway, I'm going to also be applying these lashes with the Strip Lash Adhesive. This is from Kiss. This is just in the shade of black, and I actually really like this black eyelash glue because I mentioned this in Thursday's video, but I like the fact that one, is black, and two, it doesn't leave that weird white line that I was having with my lashes because I don't wear eyeliner. So yeah. On camera, and I did the rest of my makeup off camera. I did my foundation, my concealer, and my powder. So now I'm back, and we're going to finish up the rest. So we're going to do the lower lash line. So first, I'm going to apply some white eyeliner to my waterline. This is just from LA Colors. This is in the shade white. And then for my lower lash line, I'm going to do the same thing that I did on my upper eye, but on the lower lash line with this little angled brush. So I'm going to start out with the yellow, then go in with the light blue from the Profusion Spectrum palette, then go back in with that lavender color, and it's all just going to pull together. And then I'm going to be applying a little bit of lower lash mascara. Since I'm already looking like a pale little Easter egg, why don't we put some bronzer on this face? So for bronzer today, I'm going to be using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is my absolute favorite bronzer from Sephora or Ulta, whichever one you choose to purchase yours from. I like it, and this one, the original shade, it doesn't pull too orange on me. In fact, I tried Hoola Light and I didn't really like it. I ended up giving it away and switching back to the original, but to apply it, I'm just going to be using this big fluffy brush. For blush today, I wanted something that was a little bit more on the pinkier side rather than the peachy side, which is what I normally gravitate towards. And I picked out this. This is the e.l.f. blush. This is in the shade Shy, and it's a beautiful baby pink blush. It's got a little hint of peach to it, but it's not enough that it's like a full-on peach blush. This is a really pretty baby pink blush, and that's why I'm going to be using it today. And I'm just going to be applying this to the apples of my cheeks using this angled blush brush. For the eyes and the face is highlighter. So for highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade of Blossom Glow. This is a really pretty highlighter that has a little bit of a pink and purple shift to it, which is why I wanted to use it today. So for the face, for the cheekbones, I'm going to be using this highlight brush from Chic to apply it. And then for the inner corners of my eyes, I'm going to be using this little side of the double-ended Profusion eyeshadow brush to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to use this really pretty lipstick from this brand that I have no idea how to pronounce, but this was sent to me, and this is in the shade of Cosmic. It is a really pretty nude pink. It is a neutral pink color. It is a matte lipstick, which I absolutely love. And another thing that I like about this lipstick, too, is that it's not a super creamy lipstick because it's kind of matte, so it's kind of drying on your lips, but it lasts forever on your lips. Like, you don't have to touch this up immediately. And another thing that I like about it too is that it feels so lightweight. It doesn't feel drying, it doesn't feel heavy or anything like that. So even though it has kind of like a matte drying finish, it doesn't feel like that at all. It feels super lightweight. It's not uncomfortable. I really like it. So if any of you out there are looking for a really good long-lasting lipstick, I really recommend giving this brand a try. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this pastel rainbow eye tutorial. I really hope that you all did enjoy this video because I had a ton of fun creating this eye look. I think it turned out super cute and super pretty. So yeah, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button down below because I'm here for you with new videos every Thursday, Saturdays, and Mondays at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time. Also, don't forget to give that video a big thumbs up down below because it helps me a lot and I would greatly appreciate it. If you would like to follow me and keep more tabs on me outside of YouTube, then you can go follow me on social media because I post a ton on there all the time, and I'm always posting eye looks on my Instagram. I'm posting makeup looks on my Twitter. I'm always tweeting and just different things. So be sure to go over and follow me because I promise you it's a lot of fun. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in Monday's video. Bye, my little unicorns.